back again with another participant of Four Streams Academy. Please introduce yourself to us.
My name is Queen Toyin Adenekan.
How did you get to know about this program?
I learned about this program through Comnet.
Wow, that's interesting. You were part of the program from morning session till this time. Can you briefly tell us the kind of impact this has had on you?
Okay, thank you, sir. I've learned how to invest my time wisely. One of the sessions we were taught about critical thinking. We were taught that a good thinker will be able to spend his or her time wisely. And I learned that foolish people waste their time. Average people, they spend their time, but wise people invest their time. So I've learned to invest my time in things that will add impact to my life. And I've also learned about how to make more money through the last speaker, because we all have to make money. So my brain have been gingered and I've been able to think on how to make more money.
So if I want to ask you to invite people to the next session, like how many people do you think you want to bring in to come and learn this?
As many people. I have a lot of contact I know that are ready. I have great people in my circle because I'm someone that pays for training. So I like paying for training, and I know that there are people in my circle will also be interested in this training. So next time we are all coming.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it. See you next time.